Hello, welcome back to Kwizie's Help Support channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of checking the results of your verified certificates. Let's get started. First, log into your Kwizie.ai account. Once you are in, navigate to the Finished or My Results section on the dashboard. Here you will find all the certificates you have earned through completed quizzes. Click on the certificate you want to check. This will take you to a detailed view of your results. On this page, you will see your scores, the number of questions answered correctly, and any feedback provided. This information helps you understand your performance and areas of improvement. Additionally, if your certificate is verified, you'll notice a verification badge on the certificate itself. This indicates that your achievement has been confirmed, adding credibility to your learning progress. Want to share your achievement? You can easily download or share your verified certificate directly from this page. Just click the download button and it will be saved as a PDF. You can also share your certificate directly from Kwizie to your LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, you name it, we have it. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our help support team. We are here to help you make the most of your learning journey with Kwizie. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on Kwizie.ai. Happy learning!